Very wonderful good morning all of you, and we all have sat here for group discussion about the topic which is given by sir, that is a corruption. So what is the meaning of the corruption? It should be recognized by us that how it starts. So first of all, what is the corruption? Whenever we do and where there will be corruption, so there will be no honesty, but where there will be honesty, so there will be no corruption. That means what happens, sometimes we think that we are a honest person, so that time we don't watch that although we say that we are not a corrupted person, but it is not right things, because what happens sometime, just like first of all it should be known by us that what is the mean and how to define to that things. Suppose that I am a government and bhaiya, that means bhaiya is a poor person. So what will happen in their place, whenever if I want to give 100 rupees to Amit bhaiya, so what will happen, I will not give 100 rupees to Amit bhaiya, I will give to 100 rupees to my our person, and after it to Pratibha, and after it Pratibha will give to 50 rupees to other person, and other person will give 25 rupees to other person, and while reaching while doing that type of process, it will reach, that means less money will be reached in the Amit bhaiya. So that time what will happen, there will be problem of the poorness, that means poor person will not grow in their life.
Let me tell. Okay, so once again we have gathered here for discussing about the wonderful matter as well as a very important and a very initial and starting point of a thing, that is one of the thing, that is corruption. So nowadays most of the time we listen the word corruption. So many of the times we listen in the news, we listen that this company is corrupted, this person is corrupted, this political party is corrupted. So today we will know the meaning of corruption and how it starts, as well as what are the factors of the corruption. So today we will listen some of the judges who will tell us the meaning of corruption.
Okay, so let me tell you that from where corruption starts. As per me, it's start from the our house. As we can take the example of the our parents. Whenever our parents gives us money for buying anything from the market or shops, so whenever we go to in the shops and money is means, suppose that our parents give 200 rupees to us and we bought that thing of the 95 rupees. So what is just happening with us, that we are saving that 5 rupees. After saving that 5 rupees and which things has been bought by us, so we didn't inform to our parents that 5 rupees has remained. We corrupt that money, means we can say that directly that we can save, we took that money and that is coming in the under of the corruption. Suppose that we can say like this also, that having saved that 5 rupees, we can be able to inform to our parents that that 5 rupees has saved. So I want to take in my spending money. Otherwise, I want to take in my save money. I want to save it, means I want to use it for anywhere also. So as per me, corruption starts from our house.
According to me, corruption is a selfish, means that when you are selfish, so on that time you are corrupt. But if you are honest, so on that time you will be not selfish. So as per my thinking, if you think about yourself, only about yourself, so on that time you are corrupt. But because sometimes whenever we are doing something, whenever we are preparing something, so during the preparation we start to think that we have to bring big changes, we have to remove the corruption. But having got this thing, we start to become the selfish. We start to think that we need to fulfill our desire, we need to fulfill our whatever we want to get. We always think that if we are getting something, so on that time we think about it. So as per my thinking, if we are selfish, so on that time we are correct.
So let me say a few lines, a few words on this topic, that is corruption. So the meaning of this word, let we know the meaning of this word, that what is corruption. So the corruption simply means that cheat. If you are cheating with yourself, it means you are a corrupt guy. And the corruption starts with ourselves, not with our house. It starts with ourselves. If you are doing cheating with yourself, if someone is giving a work to you and you are not doing that work in a correct way, in a correct format, it means you are doing cheating. It means you are cheating. It means you are a corrupt guy. There are so many places where we do the corruption. In the initial stage, we do the corruption in our house. From that, we proceed. We give the next step to the corruption, and we separate this corruption to our house, to the societies, to the city, to the country. Second thing is that how the corruption is affecting our life day by day. So the corruption is just like the terminate that is making the wood hollow from the inside, and same thing is happening with us in this society, that corruption is making us hollow from the inside. There are many fields where the corruption is affecting us in very bad way, economically, socially, politically. It is harming us, it is making us hollow. There are so many examples of this field. As the Didi told us about one example, that if the government is introducing any scheme for us, and the government is providing us 100 rupees, so when this 100 rupees will come near to us, at that time the amount of that 100 rupees is will be near 60 to 70 rupees, because the 30 rupees was eaten by the 30 rupees will be eaten by any was eaten by any guy, just because he is giving us such types of facilities, he is providing us such types of facilities. And the third thing is that the corruption is not the problem of any society or any individual guy. It is the problem of whole the world, because if you want to grow, so the first thing that you should understand, that you must understand, is doing your work in a correct way. It means don't cheat with yourself, because the correct meaning or the correct word that we can use for corruption is the cheating, doing cheating with yourself. So these are the some of the words and some of the meaning that I want to.
Well, now I would like to share my some of the perspectives about the corruption. So, well, as far as I know and I think about the corruption, that in this today's era, and we can say in this today's youth, there is a virus called corruption, which is growing day by day, means gradually, as well as developing in our country, in each and every field. That virus, considered as a corruption, is reaching and has been reached many ways. So I would like to also tell you one more thing and inform you that in this today's ultra modern world, the more and more things are being affected by the corruption. And I would like to also tell you that most of the times you would have listened that guy died due to the suicide, that person or that guy, that she did the suicide, that's why she died. So I would like to tell you that as per my thinking, the more and the more suicide attempts occurs in our India due to the corruption. Here most of you would be thinking that how can you say this thing, do you have any proof? So well, as per my thinking, you know very well that in today's India, in each and every field there is a corruption. If we will talk about the politicians, there is a corruption. If we will talk about the sports field, there is a corruption. There is no field where there would be a less amount of the corruption. I would like to also tell you and give the proof that why actually the more and more suicide attempts occurs in India due to the corruption. We know very well that in our India, means if I will tell you about the America, so in America what actually happens, that there is a value of the means there is a worth of the talent of the skilled person. Whereas in our India, it doesn't matter that how much talent you are having, how much legendary skills you are having. But if you have a money, if you can provide the money to the government and a one person who is having the power and the post, then only if you have a money, then only you can get that post for which you are working hard, and then only you can get that achievement for which you are having the skills and the talent. So this kind of things must not be done by any one of us, because we know very well that our America in America we know very well there is little bit amount of the corruption which happens, but there is an understanding in the peoples, they understand the worth of the talent of the people. That's why that America is having so much advantages and developing day by day. Whereas India is not having any of the kind of information and the knowledge and does not understand the worth of the talent and the skills of a person. That's why the more and more peoples having done hard work a lot, having just maintained the regularity in anything, they although after a long time means at the last they do such kind of the things because they had no option to do any other thing.
So now today I want to say about some things about the corruption, as I think that the perspective Anirudh is saying right. But if I will say about the what is corruption is going on all over the world. So I think that the corruption is not all about us, but all about our society and all about our culture. When you will watch such a kind of the corruption in our India, I don't want to say any kind of the country. First of all, they will watch in our India the lots of corruption in the rank of 100, India were situated 39. That is the point of view. And you know very well what is actually in the other country, just like in New Zealand, the corruption rate, I think 1.0 maybe possibility is happening. But we will notice about the what is New Zealand is happen. The New Zealand government has been Instagram. As you know that in our India, what is actually happen? The corruption is generating by our generation, not for our life. When you will watch such a kind of people in our society, just like IAS, just like if they will watch Group D employee in our India, Group D employee, just like a constable. In our Bihar, they will suddenly this incident happen. The Bihar constable has a lot of money as a IAS officer comparison. That is the happening. That is failure of democracy and education and our society. Not for us, but also whole of them. Because the corruption is starting by ourselves, by them. When they will cheat the 1 rupees, as you know that in our society in our India, when the farmer are selling the paddy, what is happening, the between of this selling the paddy, they are also giving the 100 rupees per quintal, but the government also providing the officer the 18 rupees. But what is actually happen, as I watched that in the Tahsildar, what is actually happen, he is an educated person and a democratic people. So why it's happening? The main point of the corruption, that there not be narrative for us. Which kind of the narration when you made by us for serving our country, for doing something for us. Just like when you started learning something, you are just learning. When they will giving such a kind of knowledge anybody, they are making corruption. I will give only some kind of the information which is not necessary for everybody. As like this New Zealand, what is actually happened in this Switzerland, that is the going on our India. As I know that the democratical, you will watch in the Bihar what is happening, and our India, the electronic bond, what is you know very well. But these are the very big corruption. But if I will say about the corruption is started by ourselves and our society, it's depend on you how to make our country, how to make our society, how to make our life.
So now I will like to express my some of the views about the topic, that is corruption. So actually many of you stated the meaning of the corruption is all about the cheating with the others and doing the fraud with the others. But as per me, that the real meaning of the corruption is known as the taking bribe or giving bribe to anyone is understood and is taken as the corruption. Now let's know that what is the meaning of taking bribe and giving bribe. So it is a very common example in the day-to-day life. We just see that whenever any person just is caught by the police officers by breaking the we can see the rules of the road, so on that time they just give some of the money, not the I'm not talking about the chan, but they give some of the extra money for coming out from that problem. So on that time it is also corruption. Now you would be thinking that they are the some of the we can see the documentation, that's why they are giving the money for there is a penalty of that if you are breaking the rule road rule, so on that time you are giving the penalty. But it is a great thing that you are paying the penalty, but the many of the persons are also giving the extra money for coming out from that problem. And now I would like to tell you the most important thing, that many times we say that if you are watching the corruption, so just tell to your elders. But as per me, that there is a particular number that if you are watching anyone that person is doing the corruption, so directly you can call in the corruption hotline. That number is the 1064. Directly you can complain about that person. No one will just try to do anything to you directly. They will come to that person. They will just do the investigation. Now let's know that how is it harming to us. So actually, as Aniket, we are told that it is harming us in the many of the way. So first one is all about our economy, that we all and according to other countries, according to the us, that our country is very developed. Our country is a very great thing, that it is very developed. We all are having very developed city, but in the inside of the country, we know that what is the reality, because in our country around the 85 to 90% people are corrupted. They are doing the corruption. It doesn't matter they are in the politics, even they are doing the jobs, although they are just doing the corruption. Even some of the people are doing the many of the corruption business also. So let's come to the point that how is it harming our economy. So many people are just keeping the stock, as before the timing you would have listened about the lemon, that the price of the lemon was too much high on the time. It was also because of the corruption, that people are keeping the stock to, inside of them, and they are just not they will sell when the price of it the thing will be increased. So that's what is happening, that the poor people are not able to buy, and their poor people are not able to just get such a kinds of thing. So as per me that it's a very biggest problem. And if we will talk about the state that is very corrupted in our India, so it is all about the Bihar. So as per me that slowly it is increasing, not decreasing. Corruption is increasing in our India, but our government is also trying to do so many things. But the one thing I dislike about the government, that there are the many of the departments for the election, but although in the election you would have watched that peoples and the, we can say that the person who are who stood in the election, they are just they are just giving money, they are just giving wines, they are distributing the wines to the peoples for just getting the vote. But our government is not able to reach inside of such a thing. So as per me that firstly they will have to just think about it deeply, then after they will be able to investigate, then after they will be able to remove it perfectly.
So now I also want to tell about the corruption. So firstly let me tell you what is the corruption. So friends, the corruption means whenever we use our power, means whenever we misuse of the misuse of our power for our own benefit, so that is called the corruption. So friends, what happens in our India and as well as in the world, the corruption is increasing day to day life. So friends, why the corruption is increasing? So according to me, the corruption is increasing because of the people, and the people there is the feeling of greediness is increasing day to day life. And as well as in the government there is not the transparency, means any kind of laws are making by the government, many kind of policies and the schemes are making by the government are not discussed by the people. So according to me, this is also the reason of the corruption. And also how can we remove the corruption? So we can remove the corruption by making a strict law against the corruption. And also for and friends, by only speaking we cannot be able to remove the corruption. We have to take the action against the corruption, and if the people will take the action, so then it will definitely be removed from our India and as well as in the world. So it depends on the people how you are how you are acting for removing the corruption. So friends, as we all know that by the act of one person any kind of things cannot happen. You have to take the action. You have the citizens of the India have to take the action by making a group, as we all know that about the teamwork. By the teamwork we can be able to we can be able to do any kind of work in a very and efficient way. And also let me tell you what are the causes of the corruption. So the many kind of effects are of the corruption, that the people who are rich, so they are becoming the rich, they are not they are not losing their money, they are earning the more and more money. But the people who are poor, so they are becoming poor day to day life because of the corruption. And by that many kind of people are not getting the more facilities, and as well as because of that the people who are becoming the poor and poor, they are because of that our literacy rate of our India is also decreasing.
I also want to define the definition of corruption. So when people are dishonest for their work and people are misusing their power for their private gain, that is called corruption. So let me tell you the major factor of the corruption. So as I thinking that crony capitalism is the main factor for the corruption, because the meaning of crony capitalism is the relationship between that happen between government and the big businessmen. As you all know that in our India there are so many rich businessmen who build some building and many others big malls for earning a lot of money. So that time they want to create their building on the in the India. So that time they want permission from the government, and many time we know that many rich men creates a lot of illegal buildings in the India. So that time government takes a lot of money as a corruption, that is called corruption. So the crony capitalism is the main cause for the corruption. As also low wages. So let me tell you the low wages, when people are earning low means when people are getting low salary from their work, so that is called low wages. And when people are getting less salary, so that time they cannot fulfill their needs for their family needs, so that time they also want to gain a lot of money. So that time they misuse their power. As a government employee, we listen many times that many government employee misusing their power for getting a lot of money, so that is also called corruption. as I know that that's happened actually that happened in few months ago. That accident occurred in India that related with the study. So as you know that I am talking about NEET exam. So we know that many students gave NEET exam to that time. Who got a lot of, I mean, who get many who get good marks in the examination, means in 12th class, in 10th class, but they didn't cross the NEET exam. But who got less marks in 10th exam and 12th exam, and many students who got failed in the 10th class or 12th class, but they crossed the NEET exam. Why? Because that time the government takes a lot of money from that persons. That's why they crack the NEET exam. But who really did hard work, they didn't cross the NEET exam, because government is also a main cause for the corruption. Because I think that corruption started from the government, because government is running us India. And if a government is corrupted, so it is very common in the for us to so people will also want to get a lot of money with people. So that's why police and many big officers are taking money with others for their private gains, because they also want to buy houses and cars and many other things, means that they want to fulfill their needs. That's why they are getting a lot of money. And also we know that in India only 1% of rich person having 60% money, I mean wealth in the India. So that's why the economies of the ours India is getting low for common man. That's why people are trying to get money from illegal works. That's why they are taking money for their for doing illegal works, so that they can fulfill their private needs, and they can fulfill their desire as a living. They also want to become a rich. So that's why people are misusing their power for becoming rich, because in India there are a lot of people that are misusing their power. So that is the, so I think that the main factor for the corruption is crony capitalism. And also the government is not taking good action for the corruption. That's why corruption is increasing day by day in the India. Because I know that there are a lot of sections for the corruption, means IPC section 171B is created for the corruption, means who are corrupted. So but I don't think government is taking good decision, because government also taking money for people for freeing themselves from the jail. So I don't think we can stay in this India as a freely. We cannot. The corruption is not. I want to say that if this is happening in our India day by day, and so corruption will increase day by day.
Now it's time to me to share my some of the thoughts about the corruption. So firstly, I want to define the definition, or we can I want to actually explain the main topic, that is the corruption. So as per me, if you are actually extracting the more money, we can say better than, or we can say than our hard work. We can say if you are actually taking the more money by an illegal way of our work, so at that time we are doing the corruption. Just like the Mike Bhaiya actually told us about that, the taking the bribe and also the giving the bribe is a type of the corruption, or we can say the form of the corruption. But if I'm talking about myself, so as per me, the main factor that is actually affecting, that is actually we can say causing the corruption, that is all about the literacy rate, and also that is the education system. So as per me, like also the Anidu told that actually in the India the people are judging the other person by the, we can say, marks and by the money, but actually the person must judge the person by the skill, or we can say how much we are skilled person. Just like we can take the example of the, we can say, the web series, or we can say the films which are creating in India. We can take the example of the KGF and the Pushpa. And if we are talking about the web series, so just like the Farzi, means actually the people, or we can say the youth of the India are actually inspiring their self by this kind of the, we can say, films. Means the, we can say, for becoming a developed, we can say developed nation, we must try to become a, we can say, educated person, as a, we can say, informed person. But what is now in the, we can say, happening in India, that actually the people are inspiring themselves by the, we can say, by the bad thing, means whatever the thing which must be adapted by the person, they are actually not adapting adapting, and that's why the people are actually we can say going in the bad side, or we can say they are misleading themselves, and after that we can say in almost every field the corruption is happening. If I talk about the big field, so actually we all know that the India is the fifth largest economy of the world. But if you are talking about in India, so the per capita income of the India, that is all about the $2,800, means almost we can say average, we can say almost every person average, at an average the person is earning approx $2,800. But if you are actually removing the 5%, or we can say top 5% of the persons of the India, then we can say per capita income will be lesser than the South Africa. Means the mainly the we can say the contribution of the contribution of the person in India, that is the top 5%, or we can say top 5%, just like the Adani Group and also the Mukesh Ambani sir. So mainly India, we can say the main cause of the we can say corruption in India, that is all about the capitalization. Means the most of the money are just we can say kept by the top person, or we can say captured by the we can say the richer person, and that's why the other person are taking the money as an illegal way, and that's why the whole the corruption is happening in all the we can say cities. And like if you are talking about the private school, so also in the private school the we can say the corruption is happening, and also in the private hospital the corruption is happening. So the main reason, or we can say the main cause of the corruption, as per me, that is all about the education and also the awareness. Means if in the schools we can say the teachers are also teaching the we can say the thing which is necessary for the human, and also we can say how we have to tackle the problem, and how we have to face the thing which we can say which we don't have to involve ourselves in the thing, we can say in a particular scenario we don't have to actually involve ourselves, just like in the corruption, and how we can save ourselves by this thing. So definitely the we can say the literacy rate and also the informed person, or we can say the number of the informed person will be increased, and this thing will also cause the we can say the decreasement, or we can say in the decreasement of the corruption. So as per me the main cause, that is the literacy rate and also the education system. So that is all about on my views on the topic, that is the corruption.
Now I also want to share my some of the point of views about a topic, that is corruption. So firstly, let me define the term corruption. So the corruption basically refers to the abuse of the money power used by any of the individual for its personal benefit, that is known as the corruption. And now let me tell you that the corruption is increasing in our world, in our country nowadays too much, because first let me tell you that according to the census done in the 2015, it was found that the rank of the India in the corruption list is 76 in over the 163 countries, but now it has till the 2023 it has increased too much, because now the rank of the India in the list of the corrupted countries is a total 87 out of 183 countries. It means that it is too much bad for the economy of the country, because let me tell you that what happened in the corruption, that a person known basically a capitalist mainly have the all sorts of money, as it has been listened by various of us that the total 5% of the person of the India has almost 50% of the control, almost 50% economy of the world, because they have that much money, because they have captured that much money for their self use. And now let me tell you that the rank of the Denmark is too much less, because there are the various things used by the Denmark, and if we will use such a type of things, such as we can take the example of the accountability, because the government of the Denmark is accountable to the person. It means that if any of the action will be taken by the government of the Denmark, so on that time it will be informed by the other pupils that what is happening and how can it happen. And the Denmark also takes the perspective and the point of views of the other persons, means they are the citizens, due to which what just happened that the citizens feel that they are also helpful for the making of the laws in the Denmark, due to which the citizens do not basically do the corruption, due to which the corruption rate of the Denmark is too much less, because the Denmark is rated as the 90 out of 100. That is a too much very big achievement for the Denmark, whereas the India is total divided by 3 of that, it means that India has scored total 30 out of 100, due to which we can take the example of the Denmark, that if our government will follow such a type of things. And now let me tell you that the government is also following such a type of things, such as we can take the example of the CBI, means the Central Bureau of Investigation. What just happened in the Central Bureau of Investigation, that the report of the individuals and the government is taken by the CBI, due to which the uncontrolled power can easily be controlled. Due to which what just happened that in the 2015 the corruption rate of the India was decreased, because on that time the India introduced such a type of things such as CBI and the e-governance. And if these type of things will increase, so on that time our India can become a corrupted free country. That has not happened till now.
Now I also want to share my some more thoughts about the topic, that is the corruption. So and firstly we will know that what is the meaning of corruption. So and corruption means whenever we misuse our powers, means friend whenever we try to give some bribes to other person. And friend, what happens in our life, that whenever we break the rules of any of the means, whenever we break the rules of traffic, so on that time what we just try to do, that we just try to give the money to we just try to give the money to the traffic police, and after giving the money we went from there. But friend, what happened that from here we are just starting the corruption. And friend, the corruption starts also from our house, and there are so many of the factors of a corruption. And friend, also the corruption is happening in a political section, and also in a educational section, and also in a sports section. And friend, in educational section what just happened, that whenever any of the child of a rich person fails in any of the class, what does that person do, that person try to give the money to the teachers, and after that he makes the result of a 10th class or any of the class in which that person's child has failed. And in the political section, as we all know that the most of the corruption is happening in the political section, means friends, so many of the persons are doing the corruption for winning the votes and for becoming a politicians. But friends, nowadays the corruption is too much increasing in India. And friends, we should try to we cannot decrease the corruption, but we can try, then the other person will also try, then the corruption level will decrease from the India.
Okay, so let me clear it. As Durga Didi said that corruption starts from the government. So as per me, whenever we are going any shop and place for making our documents, so on that time, as soon as it is filled by us that I am getting late, I have to do that work. So on that time we also start to do corruption, means that person who is making any kind of the documents, we start to give the money. So that is starting from the corruption from the our side, not is from the government side. As everyone told us that from the traffic police also. So what is just happening for the traffic police, whenever we are giving the money that person, that's why he is taking. Otherwise we can be able to wait, or we can be take any kind of the action. So for these kind of the things we must have the knowledge. So as per me, corruption starts from the not government, corruption starts from ourselves.
Yes. Having listened to the everybody, Karthik will explain something. Yes.
Okay, so as I have listened the thought of everybody, so now I would like to share my thoughts about the corruption. So as before, sometime we have discussed that whenever any of the thing is taken, but moreover needed, and the source of corruption is money, most of the time we listen about it, that this company or this political party, and so many of the time we blame to others, that as before sometime we were blaming to the government, that the government is corrupted. So I think that yes, it's all about ourselves, that if one will stop corruption, so on that time it can be stopped further. Like I would like to tell you that here education plays a very major role in the corruption. Like if you are educated, if you know about the corruption, that it can be one of the most harmful thing for our nation. So on that time may be possible that you can take the action against corruption. You cannot do, means you will not do the corruption anymore. And if after watching to you, a person will be motivated that yes, if he is not doing, then I must also improve it. So maybe it can be improved. And I would like to tell you that yes, in the India, it's one of the major problem that so many of the states and so many of the state governments are also corrupted. Like before some time we were discussing that the corruption starts from ourselves. So yes, it starts. And I would like to tell you that as we have discussed about the traffic police also, that whenever they watch us doing any of the thing against the rule, so on that time they catch us, and at that time they ask for the fine. But at that time you must know each and everything, that how much fare should be paid by you to that person, and if that person is corrupting, and if that person is corrupted, so on that time what should you do? You must complain that person and you must take the action. But also remember that if you have broken any of the rule of traffic, then the punishment should be given to you and you must accept it, and then the corruption can be stopped, when we will be able to think about our mistake, and we will be able to improve it. Whenever the thought that I will improve it, this will come in your life, and whenever the punishment will be given to you, so on that time the corruption can be able to be stopped further, and it can be decreased also. And now I would like to tell you that before some time we discussed about the movies, as Rehan told us that so many of the movies show the bad and give the bad message to us, and I am also very right, and I am saying that yes, it's true, because so many of the times nowadays we are finding the enjoyment in the movies, such means full of fight and full of the things that should not be watched by us, and after seeing it we are inspired. But for what? We are inspired for doing the bad things. Like so many of the movies show us the bad things and teach us the bad messages, like fighting. We take this example because in each and every movie nowadays we watch people fighting for so many of the things. But if the movie is made on the social message, so on that time that movie is not hit. Why? Because we don't want to see such a kind of message. We don't want to take such a kind of message. So I think that if corruption starts from any of the where, that if you are watching any of the person corrupting, so on that time you must stop it and you must be aside as soon as possible.
We want to know that how will you stop these things?
So firstly, let me tell you that the corruption is not a thing that we can stop it. Okay, that we can eliminate it from our world, from our society. It is just like the disease which can be controlled by ourselves. If you want to stop the corruption, so firstly, the one thought that you should follow, or that you should try to do with yourself or with your colleagues, that stop doing corruption from your side. As the Karthik Bhaiya told and Rehan Bhaiya also told us about this topic, that we are the first one who do the corruption from our side, and after us the second one person and the front one person do it. So it is our first priority to stop it from our side, because if we don't stop it from our side, then the second one person will also not stop it, because we are giving him the money for it, that yes, I also want that I want to do corruption, so please be a part of it. So the first thing is that the corruption is not be terminated from this is not be eliminated from this world fully, and we can say that totally. We can stop it, we can control it. So start it from our side. First thing that we should do is not do cheat with any guy, not cheat with ourselves, and don't try to do such types of work, such type of things which are against the rule of the government, which are against the rule of the government, as well as which are against this economy, and which are against the society also.
So, as per my perspectives, there are many various ways through which we can control the corruption and we can finish the corruption. First thing, and the first and the major thing and the major way that I think is the education. Yes, let's educate yourself. Then if you would be educated, so I can say this thing with 100% of the confidence, that wherever you will watch the corruption, if you have a knowledge about all the laws, if you are educated, so as for my thinking, somewhere you can be able to just, we can say, against and raise your hand against that corruption. So firstly, educate yourself, have a full knowledge about the laws, and definitely if you would be having the knowledge, so I can say this thing with a guarantee, that whenever you will watch a corruption, so you cannot even fear and you cannot even control yourself from raising the voice against that corruption. So from today, educate yourself, have a knowledge about all the laws, then finish the corruption.
According to me, there are many ways to stop a corruption, because government is doing many steps for stopping a corruption. Just like this, there are many rules, there are many law for stopping a corruption. But as per my thinking, if government will work in a 3 fields, so on that time government will finish. As per my thinking, first first is the make strong punishment and second is the in a government field. Means that first is the government field, because who is getting the job? Government. So on that time they think that I came in the government field, so on that time my job is permanent, and if government will suspend and not retire, means that government cannot remove to me from my seat. So on that time only government can suspend to us. So on that time we should change to mentality of the government workers, because they always think that we are getting if we have got the government job.
Means of it, you are agree for the privatization because they are doing same thing. You are agree with these things. Privatization. So whatever you are saying, similar is showing about this.
But sir, if we will do anything in the government field, so on that time, because now this time who is very corrupting? Means that who is doing very
That's why
corruption?
the
Only
corruption
government
part too much
worker.
into the railway. That's why they are giving it to the contraction, and I am thinking about the privatization. That's why. So you are agree for these things. I think that there will be no corruption.
So it is happening, sir. As I was that in society, sir. As I was that in our India, food corruption, it is too much. When you will watch 2011, what is actually the food corruption in our India, not only our MP, what is actually happened when the government employee and the 50% and the private, and now our MP only 20% of the government employee and 80% in our society, in our mandi, 80% of the people are private due to the before the 10 years any kind of the government job has been provided by the MP government. As you know that
We are consulting about these things, that how can we remove.
sir, I think that
That's your suggestion.
in my suggestion you will get the example of Kerala, that state. Before starting something I want to say about it. The Kerala literacy rate 95% in our India, as I know that. But what is actually has been learned by us, the Kerala state, that I think that they have to know about it. The Kerala government, what is actually giving to them, their society, they are giving to the electricity and education and healthcare. Three major steps has been provided by the Kerala government. That is the true for our society. And if every unit,
You have given your.
Okay, so how we can stop the
Wait. Yes, this question is already standing. Yes, your.
Sir, according to me, we can remove the corruption from our India. It is like to be impossible, but we can control the corruption. So there are the three kinds of method. The firstly, we can make a strict law against the corruption, and the second is we can aware the people, sir, and as well as we should remove the we should take the transparency in the government. Means there should be the transparency in the government, by which the people will know where the money of the country is going, and because of that the corruption can be controlled.
Okay, I want to also give answer that how to control corruption. So according to me, if people are doing any type of mistake, so that time punishment should be followed. That means just like what happened. Sometime we all know that corruption starts from our school also. So what happened whenever any students fell in the examination? So that time they give money to them in front person for passing. So if you will be aware in your study, if you will accept to that punishment, that means you without giving money you will try again, and after that you can be able to give, and after that you will be
Okay, it can be defined by me in a one line that corruption can stop from our house, because if we will stop the corruption from ourselves, so maybe we can be able to teach to our generation from the our house. So corruption can be stopped from the our house,
So,
not from
as-
the anywhere.
That's Mayank Namdev.
So as per me and as I think so that for removing the corruption, they are the three of the major thing But the first one that is very important to remove the fear from the mind of everyone. That if now timing, what is the thing that if any person is watching to someone that person is doing the corruption, that person is corrupted, so on that time because of the fear that if I will tell, so what will happen, any of the case, any of the thing will happen on me. So as per me, that firstly remove the fear from their mind, that if you will tell, so nothing will happen to you. And the second thing, as I told you, that if you are watching anyone that person is corrupted, so directly you can complain in the number of that 1064, that is the number of the some of the department that keeps the inquiry and that does the investigation about the corrupted people. And the third one is that stop from our side. And as per
Yes, Riyan.
Okay, so as per me, there are basically two ways by which we can stop the corruption. First, that also the we can say the Pratibha told us about, that is the education, and the second, that is the strict laws. So as per me, if we're talking about the strict laws, so directly we cannot apply the strict laws on every person. We must try to actually apply like that if a person is doing the corruption. So in the first timing when the we can say the person is doing, so we can apply the we can say the law, we can say punishment. And if the person is we can say regularly doing that
Which
thing,
kind of law? Do you have anything in your mind?
sir, we can actually we can say accept the money if anything the government is giving any kind of the punishment. So that thing must be done, because if the government is taking the money, then again after some time that thing also become the corruption after some time.
Already they have made the rules for that things. I think that.
Yes,
That's
they
why
had made, but if actually the society will actually aware from the we can say youth, and if the small we can say in the starting generation the youth is aware by the laws, and also if the we can say fear between the youth is we can say happening, and also
For
if we all
making, yes, next. I think that there is name Aditya Gupta.
Now I would like to reply you about your question. So let me tell you that there are various measures by which the corruption can be stopped. So firstly, and the most important one is start from the government. That is, we should try to make the government accountable, and government should also try to make itself accountable, and government should have the transparency, because if it will happen, so on that time we can take the example of the Sir Kejriwal also, that he is a political person, and what just happened that in the report what happened that the government gave him the money, but what happened that he used the remaining amount of that money for the education. It means that we should try to keep the record of everything.
He has a record, right?
So
But they are not accepting because they have given for the different work. The major problem is this, that we have made a plan. The 1 crore rupees will be given for that things, and we have saved only 20 lakh rupees. And these 20 lakh rupees has been given to the education sector, having taken the decision by the CM. So that was the problem. That why have you taken the decision? You will have to give the process and money. You have a money, so you will have to return these things. They are saying yes.
So
This is right or wrong?
This is actually, as per me, this is both right or wrong, because
Right and wrong, this how may be passed with the decision will not be able to take. Yes, next I think that who remain? Aniket Dwivedi, what was your idea?
Sir, my idea was to first stop it from ourselves, and second make a rule for especially for the government employees, because now our timing what we are watching, that if any government employee is doing the corruption, so the government give priority to that guy.
Okay.
That he
Durga Chaudhary.
So there are many ways for stopping the corruption. So government already made a lot of rules, as like I already mentioned about IPC section 171 also, and also there are one main rule for stopping the corruption, that is Central Valuation Commission Act, that acquired that made on 2023 in the India. And as per my thinking, when people will stop misusing their power, so that will corruption will stop. And also we should choose right leader for running our India, because we know that this time in our government many leaders are
There is no matter about these things. I am sorry about this thing interrupting, but for being a leader, after being a leader, everybody will be corrupted. There is no problem. There is problem. There is Saksham.
So according to me, by taking the education and by becoming a strict person, we can be able to stop the corruption, because only by the education we can change the world.
What should be taken the decision?
So by taking the education,
Taking, giving.
so taking and also giving to
Just
other
like
person.
you are, so you have to take that. Yes, my friends. So, good morning, everybody. Now you are listening these things, the group discussion by all the judges of RK Scrapper Academy. They presented well. Don't mind about such a thing. This is for the educational purpose, nothing, anything more. We don't want to hurt to anybody. Only we want to say these things that these children are thinking something different. So we will have to change the thinking of these children. Otherwise, they will not be able to do anything in the future. So firstly, we have to change the thinking of the mentality of the children's thinking of the children's. If we will be able to change, I think that in the future total different will be the way and different will be the world. So firstly we have to improve to our children's, nothing anything more to everybody. Just like we are giving to the money to anybody, any children for the doing any kind of little work, so we have to stop that things only. When we stop, so that will be stopped, nothing anything will be problem. When मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा सबको लास्ट में कि ये जज का एजुकेशनल पर्पस में बनाया गया ये एक वीडियो है। इस वीडियो के जरिए केवल मैं इतना ही इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहता हूँ, यदि हम आज ही अपने घर में किसी भी बच्चे को कोई भी कार्य कराने के लिए या करवाने के लिए कोई भी पैसा देना बंद कर दें या कोई भी लालच देना बंद कर दें, तो मेरे ख्याल से वो चीज़ ख़त्म हो जाएगी। वो लालच जो दिया जाता है कि मैं तेरे को ये चीज़ दूंगा, तुम पढ़ाई कर लो, तुमको मैं आज रसगुल्ला खिलाऊंगा, तुम पढ़ाई कर लो, या ये जिस तरीके की ये लालच दी जाती है, अगर इस लालच को बंद कर दिया जाए ना, तो मेरे ख्याल से अब करप्शन खत्म हो जाएगा। ये जो लालच होती है ना, बड़े में बड़ी होती जाती है, धीरे धीरे बड़ी होती जाती है कि हमको किसी चीज़ के लिए काम करना है और किसी चीज़ के लिए लालच बढ़ जाती है। वो लालच ही हमें है जो करप्शन की ओर ले जाती है। ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, खाने के लिए 2 रोटी ही चाहिए होती है, पेट भरने के लिए चावल थोड़ा सा खाना होता है बेटा, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए होता है। फ्यूचर की मार के कारण, हम लोगों के बारे में सोचने के कारण, हम अपनी फैमिली के बारे में सोचने के कारण दूसरों को सोचना बंद कर देते हैं। बच्चों को सोचना सिखाएं कि वो दूसरों के बारे में भी सीखें, अदर्स के बारे में भी सोचें, उनके बारे में भी कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट करने की कोशिश करें। अपने आप वो चीज़ खत्म हो जाएगा, मनी का फ्लो जो है अपने आप बढ़ जाएगा अगर हम किसी और का भला करना शुरू कर देते हैं। किसी भी बड़े से बड़े जो भी काम चालू किया, उन्होंने सबसे पहले किसी न किसी का भला किया है, किसी न किसी की स्टार्टिंग की है, उसके जरिए ही किया है। अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो आप पैसे कमा सकते हैं, तो उसमें हमको करप्शन की ओर ना जाके हमें किसी की हेल्प करनी है। कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ को लेके आइए जो चीज़ वो नहीं कर पाता है, आप कर पाते हैं, मेरे ख्याल से वो बेस्ट होगा। ये कि आप कोई करप्शन से मनी कराएं या किसी को ज़्यादा लें। जैसे RK स्क्रैपर एकेडमी में मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि हम एक ही जैसी फीस सभी से ली जाती है, चाहे वो फर्स्ट क्लास का बच्चा हो, चाहे वो BSc का बच्चा हो, MSc का बच्चा हो या कोई एम्प्लॉय हो, सभी से एक ही तरीके की फीस ली जाती है। इसको इसलिए रखा गया है कि करप्शन फ्री रहे, किसी के दिमाग में ये ना आए कि किसी को कम ली जाती, किसी से ज़्यादा ली जाती, बच्चों को कम है, बड़ों को ज़्यादा है, कोई कंडीशन है ही नहीं, सभी एक बराबर से सीख सकते हैं। सेम ऐसी ही कंडीशन सबको बनाना सिखाना होगा, हर एक बच्चे के अंदर दिमाग में होना चाहिए। तो आप लोगों से बस इतना ही चाहूँगा कि केवल इम्प्रूवमेंट अपने घर पे करें और कुछ नहीं। साथ संगत प्यार से कहना, धन्यवाद।